Okay, this dough took a little bit longer to ferment this time. So it's been 6 hours now. I think normally it would take about 5, but this dough was a little bit sluggish, so it took 6. So we'll divide it in half. We'll divide this into 2 pieces, about 850 grams a piece, around there. I think I'll try doing these rounds a little differently this time. It's not how I usually do them, but I just want to do something different this time. I'll come back in about 20 minutes and we'll do a final shape on them.